after received machine. Because the shipping runway is too far, those two heads maybe have some position change. Because we have already set it in correct position, but it maybe have some machinery position change. Firstly, for check this beveling head, it is simple. Because at the common side, at the correct side is this knife. This knife forward is pairing with x axis. Is at this forward. It is for this forward. Also, this knife blade. This circle is the knife blade forward. It's also toward x axis. When you check this knife, if at the right position, you can light this tool. You can light this head down. And make sure this is 90 degree. 90 degree is okay. It means this head is at the correct position. After check it is okay, and check this is how to check it is light this knife head to cut a straight line, and cut this pattern to check if this line is straightly. If when cutting this line, it be moving, it means this knife forward is not in correct position. Its knife point is not in the correct position. I mean this knife. Because this knife need a line with x0 forward. How to set it is please get to the tool set, find this, and press this C axis to get the C forward. And then you will get a value. When you let the forward to be aligned with x-axis, you will find there is a value for C. Then you get into the system and get into the. 哎呀，我冲哪来了？ Please, how to set this C axis? It's you set the 2 or 2 1 2 2 this C forward. After you find the good position, you write down this value and then get into the system and press this window and get into the window. You will passport 1992. Enter. After enter, you input the big C. Big C and search. And pager. And you will find this. C axis retraction distance and C1 axis retraction distance. This C axis retraction distance is mean this head is for this head, and the C1 axis is mean this head. This is for set the bleed forward. Because it must align with this x-axis. So after you set good forward, the knife could cut straightly. If the bleed forward is not set well, the cutting will be curving not very straightly. This is already we set well. You no need to change. After you received, you can test machine if it cut straightly. If it cut straightly, no need to change those two values.